Today I turned on my streamer again. Shots blowing up, they see my head shine. What's cooking, egg, they always say. But they don't know what's really mine. Am I really what they see? Just a ball guy making memes. Why do they call me egg when I'm the great stage? Making chops and day, that's the moves I make. Why do they call me egg when I'm the great stage? Playing skibbity videos, that's my take. Black God in the chat, we making moves. Free craft, pouring up, we can't